Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Vegas Pro 16 tutorial on adding special effects to your video footage. Have you ever taken video footage and you want to spice it up and you put some special effects in there, realistic special effects, to give it an extra punch? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that with this video. So here we have a video clip from Videoblocks, also known as Storyblocks. It zooms through the window, and then there's time lapse of storm clouds. So let's pause this right about here. Let's take an image of this. Make sure it's set to best full. Take an image. Split this track. Change the video track. Now I have a slow motion lightning bolt. It's a real cool lightning bolt. To make this visible, it's a 4K lightning bolt downloaded from ProductionCrate. I'll put links in the description where you can get all these downloads from. So to make this visible, go to compositing mode. Select screen. Now let's add a slow motion sound effect here. So sync this up when it first starts. There, where it ends. I'll hold the control key down as time stretches out. It's good. Let's play this back. It may lag a bit because I have it set to best full. Lightning bolt. And back to regular speed. Okay, so let's add a sound effect in here, a thunder. Like I said, I'll put links in the description where you can always download from. I want the lightning bolt, or the thunder sound effect, to end, actually to start where the lightning bolt ends. Because normally when it's thundering and lightning outside, when you see a lightning bolt, unless it's super close to you, it takes a few seconds before you actually see the, or hear the thunder. So let's play this back now. Lightning bolt. Thunder, and resumes. Okay, so let's add some music to this track now. Split these excess. Put it back. So once again, the final result looks like this. So that's all you have to do is spice up your videos in Vegas Pro 16. Years ago, we had a flood. I'm about 20 feet higher Then my house was about 20 feet higher than my front street. We had a real bad hailstorm and rainstorm, and there was 2 feet of water on the front street. So after it stopped raining, I went outside, took video footage of it because I couldn't believe how much water there was there. So I added some sound effects and some special effects in there to make the video more realistic. And it turned out just wow. It looked so realistic and sounded so realistic. I had sirens in there, lightning bolts, thunder, and it was just absolutely great. It just made the video look a lot more dramatic than it actually was. And if you've ever taken video footage and it's kind of blah and you want to spice it up, add special effects to it. Experiment and add special effects to it because it turns out real cool in the end. So anyways, I wanted to pass this along to you. I just wanted to I'll show you how to just spice up your videos and make them more dramatic. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Once again, if you didn't find it helpful, I have lots of others to choose from, and I guarantee if you browse my videos, you will find one you will like. So once again, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.